Hi everyone. I'm previewing the important things for traders to watch this week. I'm putting an extra emphasis on the price of silver, while I'll also run down highlights from the economic calendar and discuss some big earnings coming out. GKFX Prime presents the week ahead. But before we get started, I stumbled across this little nugget which I thought was really interesting. Did you know that silver is actually a harder metal than gold? It's thought to be the main reason why in ancient Egypt, silver was valued much more highly than gold. Right now, 1 ounce of gold is worth about 95 ounces of silver. That's the gold-silver ratio, which I'll touch on again shortly. So if you learned a little something there, please click the like button. It really helps us spread the word about these videos. Here you can see what I think are the main events and data points on the economic calendar. There's a PBOC rate decision on Monday, but there are a few different rates the central bank targets, so the impact is hard to judge. Japanese inflation is expected to fall back to 0. We have 2 big pieces of data out of Canada. Then we have UK retail sales and a host of PMI data on Friday to give us the most up-to-date ideas about the health of economies. Silver prices smashed through big resistance at $19 last week. So I want to look at some of the logic for its strength and why the moves might just be getting started. The first one is obvious. Gold is at 9-year highs and silver is playing catch-up. Okay, well, how do we judge a catch-up? Well, we can look at the gold-silver ratio. In March, the gold-silver ratio, which as I said in the intro is how many ounces of silver you can exchange for an ounce of gold, rose to a new record of 124. Since then, the ratio entered a downtrend and is now at around 95. But after the last financial crisis in 2010, the ratio fell to 35 to 1. And in nature, silver is only 20 times more abundant than gold. If gold holds steady at the current price of $1,800 per ounce and the ratio returned to 35 to 1, silver would be worth over $50. A colossal 270% price rise from here. Okay, and before I sign off, whether you are trading US indices or individual shares, make a mark in your calendar that Snap, the owner of Snapchat, reports earnings on Tuesday. Tesla reports on Wednesday, while Twitter and the Royal Caribbean Cruises report results on Thursday. Ask yourself this: what were people doing while locked in their homes during the pandemic? They were on social media. Applications like Snapchat and Twitter. Tesla shares have quadrupled in price this year, so I'm not sure how many earnings can live up to that, but let's see. The cruise industry has been decimated by COVID-19, so Royal Caribbean results will be something to watch for how bad things really got. Thanks everyone, good luck trading, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video.